Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell internationally with your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to add multiple languages to your Shopify site using built-in tools and apps so your customers can shop in their own language. Why add multiple languages? Offering multiple languages helps increase trust, improve conversion rates, and reach more customers. Shopify supports up to 20 languages using its translate and adapt system. Now log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Now go to online store, then click themes. Now click on customize tab, then go to theme settings, find the languages tab. Most official Shopify's themes support translations, but double check if your does before adding language. Enable languages in Shopify. Go to Shopify dashboard, then go to settings. Now scroll down and click on languages. Click add language. Choose 30 plus choose from 30 plus options like Spanish, French, German. Then again add language like English. What do you need? Publish the language. You can manage which languages are active or remove any you are not ready for. Then go to online store. Now check the language. Then go to add app. Then Shopify App Store. Search for Translate and Adapt by Shopify. Install it. Open the app. Now you can automatically or manually translate your content. You can translate product titles, descriptions, collections, menus, pages, checkout, and policy pages, even custom meta fields. Use auto translation for speed and then tweak manually for accuracy. Click auto translate, then translate. Now go to online store, then click customize. Click on header section, add the language selector block. Your visitors will now see a drop down to switch between languages. If your theme doesn't support this, you can add it using a third-party app or custom code. You can even translate URLs for better SEO. For example, collections shows becomes ever collections gestures. Always proofread auto translations. Prioritize top 1 to 3 languages your audience uses. Use Google Analytics to track user language. Consider hiring a native speaker for key pages. Enable geolocation app for auto-detecting visitor language. So that's how to make your Shopify store multi-languages ready in 2025. This helps your store feel local in any country and builds trust with global customers. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your country. I will recommend the best translation setup for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.